So I'm going to show you how to locate your Galaxy SmartTag 2. Now you can locate it with sound in case it's lost somewhere near you, maybe somewhere inside the house and you can't find it. For that one, you simply need to go to the SmartThings app on your phone. And then find that specific SmartTag. You can either go to devices and look for the specific SmartTag, tap on it, and then you can go and play the sound on that SmartTag. So you should see next to ringtone, you can see that play button, tap on it, and it's gonna make that sound. So you should be able to use that sound to find it. Now you can also view it on a map. So if you tap on view map, it's gonna open the Samsung Find application on your phone so that you can see this SmartTag on a map. So you can see it right there. You can see exactly where it is. You can even open up the extra information about this specific SmartTag, and you can make it ring like that. You can adjust the volume. So if it was low, you can make it ring. You can make it sound or ring with a louder volume, or you can choose navigate, and then your phone should be able to navigate you towards the SmartTag. So obviously I can't navigate to this one because it's right here with me, but your phone should be able to guide you on how to locate the SmartTag. So that is basically how to locate your Galaxy SmartTag. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.